Welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make thandai, and to make this recipe the ingredients will required are 50 grams almonds, 50 grams cashew nuts, 50 grams pistachios, 50 grams melon seeds, 25 grams poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 15 to 20 green cardamom, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, few pieces of mace, 1 tablespoon dried rose petals, 1 teaspoon saffron, 50 grams sugar, 1 bowl ice cubes, 1 liter milk, and for garnishing 3 to 4 almonds cut in length, 3 to 4 pistachios cut in length, and 6 to 7 fresh rose petals. First put in a mixer jar cinnamon sticks, black pepper, mace, cardamom, fennel seeds, poppy seeds, rose petals, and blend well. Now add saffron, almonds, cashews, pistachios, melon seeds, sugar, and blend well and prepare thandai masala. Now in a jug put 6 tablespoons prepared masala, milk, ice, and blend with hand mixer. Now pour this in the glass and garnish with rose petal, almonds, and pistachios. Chilled thandai is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side, and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.